Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish tank filter. First, gather your materials. You'll need a clean plastic container, like a food storage box, a small submersible water pump, and some flexible tubing. Also, prepare your filter media, such as filter floss or sponge material. Make sure your container is appropriately sized for your aquarium, perhaps holding 1.5 liters for a 20-gallon tank. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's assemble the filter. Begin by drilling several small holes, about 1/8 of an inch in diameter, near the top edge of your plastic container. These will serve as the water return. Next, create a slightly larger hole for the pump's power cord and the tubing that will draw water into the filter. Carefully place your submersible pump inside the container, making sure it's stable and won't tip over. With the pump in place, it's time to add your filter media. Start with a layer of filter floss or a sponge at the bottom. This provides excellent mechanical filtration, trapping debris. Above that, you can add activated carbon for chemical filtration, which removes odors and discoloration. For biological filtration, consider ceramic rings or bio-balls. Arrange the media so water can flow through it easily, avoiding overly dense packing. To install your new filter, simply place the entire unit inside your fish tank, ensuring the submersible pump is fully underwater. Connect the tubing from the pump to direct the filtered water back into the aquarium, creating a gentle current. Regularly clean or replace your filter media, perhaps every 2 to 4 weeks, to maintain optimal water quality. This simple maintenance keeps your tank healthy and clear. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book recommendation and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.